If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain t-shirt and denim shorts into this lovely rhinestone and pearl embellished outfit, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so it is really hot outside, it's summertime, and this is an outfit for my 5-year-old daughter. And I just want to add some really pretty colorful pearls in these rhinestones, which I love, to her shorts and her t-shirt. The shorts are from Children's Place, and her shirt is, I believe, from Walmart. So I'm using this fabric glue. It's called Supertite Fusion, and it's supposed to fully cure in about 24 to 48 hours. Now it does have a very thick white consistency. However, it does dry clear. So don't worry about the appearance of the glue right now. Now, what I would like for this glue to have had was a much pointier and thinner tip, because I felt like the dollops of glue came out really big, which was fine for my bigger rhinestones that I added. But some of these pearls, you could still see the glue like on the outside. So I was kind of worried about that. So in order to try to fix that, what I did is I added the pearls on the shorts kind of like in clusters. So you'll see I just had to go and find like a smaller white rhinestone or a smaller white pearl, and I just kind of added it to the sides of the pearls to do a cluster look. And I think that ended up kind of saving it. And the little tool that I'm using to pick up the pearls is called a wax pickup tool. You can find them on Amazon. No more than about $8 to $10. I just wanted to make something cute and fun. I did a couple previous videos of a pair of junk shorts that I did for my daughter. This time I wanted to also incorporate a t-shirt. The shorts are, I guess you could say they're busy or slightly busy, so I just wanted the shirt to kind of match the same vibe. I'll be working on the shorts later on in the video, but this DIY is definitely beginner friendly. You can use whatever type of fabric glue that you like. So far, this Supertite has been pretty good. Another great glue that's pretty universal on fabric, wood, glass, plastics, or whatever is E6000. But I believe this glue has little to no odor, and I believe it may be non-toxic. I found this glue on Amazon for about $10. I thought it would be really cute to add some pearls to the trim of the pocket, so I just decided to do that on both sides, just to kind of match on both sides. And I'm really almost finished with this, and you can see this was like very fun and just simple. Like, this isn't something that's going to take you hours to do. Now, if you want to go like real heavy and like really just load up your shorts with way more decor and designs, you can definitely do that, but it would take more time. Okay, so I'm going to work on the t-shirt now. Now what I'm going to do, because the t-shirt is like a little thinner fabric than the denim, I'm just going to add some wax paper inside just in case it decides it wants to like seep through, and I don't have to worry about pulling the shirt apart if it sticks to the front to the back. So again, I'm going to do some larger size dollops of glue so I can add on my bigger gems first, and then from there I'll go in between with the colorful pearls. And the size pearls I used were like 6mm, 8mm, and I believe the lime green was 10mm. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of this cute little blingy outfit, and I used rhinestones and I used some pearls, and this turned out so cute. My daughter loves this outfit. She hasn't worn it yet, but she can't wait to wear this. This will be a cute birthday outfit, special occasion, or just going on vacation, or just on a cute hot summer day. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may like something like this. I really enjoyed doing this DIY. The glue dried completely clear. As you can see, you don't see that white. Just give it at least 48 hours before you actually wash the garment and fully submerge it. I would still suggest air drying, but I guess you should be able to put it in the dryer, but I would suggest air drying something like this. You can follow me on Instagram, also on TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe, and I'll post some behind the scenes videos there, or just like some smaller DIYs, or I'll also just kind of post there to let you know when I upload some videos. Subscribe if you want to this channel. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.